Hello and welcome to Mrs. Patterson's Homework Help. This lesson is for Math, Chapter 1, Lesson 2. The lesson today dealt with all the different forms that we put numbers into, and I think I want to just focus in on that for this lesson today. There's several different ways that you can write your numbers, and first of all, let me just show you both sides. This is page 21 of the math page, and on the back is page 22. You are, if you did forget your homework, you may stop the video, copy down the worksheet, and do it on a blank piece of paper if you have forgotten it or you were absent potentially. So anyway, you've done a lot of this before, but I want to go over it again. Standard form is when we see a number written with the commas and the digits. That is standard form, okay? Expanded form, that's this one right here, is when you stretch a number out for each place value, okay? That's expanded form, standard form. And then word form, that gets a little bit more tricky, but that's when we write out our numbers in words. It's exactly what it sounds like. Expanded means we kind of stretch it out. And then standard form is what we see most often. You'll also notice in word form where you see a comma, you see a comma here. And that's important to note. So anytime you see a comma in a standard form, you're going to see a comma in the word form. So here they want us to, just for example, write 1 million. So we only have 1 in the millions place. Comma, 145,000. So 145,000. That's the end of that period. And then this should be our ones, 237. 237. Okay? That I've taken word form and put it into standard form. Now, write 87,192 in word form and expanded form. So let me do that. First of all, in word form, we have 7, and there should be a hyphen here, sorry. 87, and what period is that? Thousands, comma, and then I have 192. 192. Okay, and now it wants me to do it in expanded form. So if I look here, this 8, and what you can do is count the spaces. So how many spaces are after the 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put in your comma. Plus, now we have a 7. How many zeros would be behind it? 3. Plus, we have then 100 plus 90 plus 2. Just see where that is in the placeholder, where we are in that number, and it will help you. You should have done this in the lower grades. We're just giving you bigger numbers to expand. So this is word form, expanded form, and this is standard form. So now you're going to go ahead and finish the back of your worksheet. Check and see all the answers to those vocabulary I just reviewed. Remember, your periods are these top things right here, okay? This is the ones period, thousands period, and the millions period. The bonus question today, if you've watched the video all the way through, is write the expanded form for 12,856.